and the day is long. Reuben, Simeon, lead your brothers. Levi, Judah, make sure to follow them. Dan, Naphtali, carry the ropes we'll be using. Gad, Asher, Issachar, make sure the babies don't go astray. Zebulun, bring water and food for all of you. Now all of you, go forth and tend to the sheep. Make sure they are fed and safe.
What about Joseph?
I think it's nothing to move. Now move, all of you.
Always us. We do the real work.
Joseph's not in the mood.
Father, it is beautiful! More beautiful than anything!
I know you like it. It's like any other just like you, my son.
I have to show this to my brothers! They will definitely love it!
They're basically the films, my son.
Just for a moment, Father, please! I want them to see it!
Very well, but big week. I don't want you away from my side for long.
Aha! Negligent shepherds!
Here comes Father's King.
Brothers! I saw some slaves that have wandered from the roads. Other shepherds been doing their job.
So what if we do na?
Yes, that's what old men do.
Oh, that's what working men do. How do you know anything about that?
Brothers! Look! Do you like it? Father made it for me. What do you think?
What do I think? I think
That we best get to work. That's what I think. Don't you see?
let's go, brothers.
Joseph, go tend to your section of the flock. Leave us be.
The field. Finding sheep. What is to the front? Yours.
Wake up, dreamer. What were you muttering about?
I had a dream. A vivid one. We were in the field. We were binding sheep. And mine stood upright. And yours